What are the ethical concerns of human genetic climate adaptation? Imagine a future where scientists can tweak human genes to survive hotter temperatures or rising sea levels. It sounds like science fiction, but it's a real possibility. Human genetic climate adaptation involves using genetic technologies to help people better cope with environmental changes caused by climate change. This could mean altering genes to improve heat tolerance or resistance to new diseases. But with these advances come serious questions. First, safety is a big concern. Changing genes might cause unexpected health problems. These mutations could be passed down to future generations, creating long-term risks we can't fully predict. Then there's the issue of fairness. Not everyone might have access to these genetic modifications. Wealthier countries or individuals could afford the technology, leaving poorer populations behind. This could make existing inequalities worse and create new divisions. Cultural and identity issues also come into play. Human groups have adapted to their environments in ways that are tied to their culture and history. Relying on genetic changes might ignore or even threaten these cultural practices and identities. Another concern is informed consent. If genetic modifications are made on embryos or children, they cannot decide for themselves. Who gets to make these choices? Parents? Governments? This raises questions about autonomy and rights. There's also the fear of eugenics. Some see genetic climate adaptation as a way of trying to perfect humans or control who is fit to survive. This echoes past abuses where genetics was misused to justify discrimination. Finally, there's the slippery slope worry. If we start editing genes for climate reasons, what's next? Could this lead to editing for appearance, intelligence, or other traits unrelated to survival? That opens a Pandora's box of ethical dilemmas. In the end, these concerns show that any move toward genetic climate adaptation must be handled carefully. It's important to weigh safety, fairness, cultural respect, and ethical boundaries. Engaging scientists, ethicists, and communities in open discussions can help guide responsible choices. Balancing human resilience with respect for diversity and rights is key as we face these new challenges.